the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 5-liter 8-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, voice-activated navigation, skid plates, lane departure warning, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.